Here I have Samsung Galaxy M31s, and today I'm going to show you how to take a burst shot for the series of photos on this device. So firstly you have to open camera, tap on the gear icon to access its settings, and here you have to find this swipe shutter button too, and select take burst shot. And now to take a burst shot you have to swipe shutter button up a bit. Oh no, you have to swipe it down like this. Wait a second. Swipe shutter button. So let's swipe it. Okay, so you have to swipe it down like this. Just hold your finger on it. Don't hold your finger on it, you have to like very fast swipe it like this, and that's how you can take a burst shot. So as you can see right now I took like this 27